Hello and welcome to this new video on how to remove filters from your TikTok videos. So if you are new here, subscribe, press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to go and open your TikTok application. It is available in both App Store as well as the Play Store. And when the TikTok application is open, in the bottom taskbar, in the middle there is a plus sign. Just click on the plus icon. After that, the place where you can record your TikTok videos will be open, and in the bottom left hand side there is effects option. So in order to remove filters from your TikTok videos, just don't choose any filters or effect and just record the video raw. When you just click on the record button, then you will be able to record the video, and this is a raw video that is being recorded currently without having any filters or using any effects. And when you post it, then there won't be any filters in your TikTok videos. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.